Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Hipshine Abhijit Noli. Today's date is 16th of September 2021 and today's our topic is discussion about the control flow statement. The control statements, the main use of the control statement is to control the flow of Java program. If we talk about the control statement, the control statements are actually divided into three subcategories. That is, first one is conditional statement, second one is loop statement or also called as iterative statement, and third one is jump statement. Today we will discuss about the decision making statements or also called as conditional statements. There are two types of the conditional statement. First one is if statement and the second one is switch statement. So conditional statement is used or it is decided which condition will be executed and when it will be executed. Actually, in if case, the if case is also divided into four subcategories. That is, first one is the simple if statement, second one is the if else statement, third one is the if else ladder, and fourth one is the nested if statement. If we talk about the first simple if statement, the simple if statement gives only true result. Means if we express any condition or expression in the block of the if statement, then they will execute that block when and when only if statement is true. Okay. And then second type is if else statement. If the condition present in a if block is true, then if block is executed, otherwise the else block is executed. Means if else statement gives maybe give both true or false result. And the third type of the conditional statement is if else ladder. In if else ladder, we will use multiple if statements, and at the end we will use else statement. If no any one condition is matches, then the else block will be executed. And the last statement in the if statement is nested if statement. In the nested if statement, there is more if statements is present inside if statement. Means if statement present in the if statement is called as a nested if statement. With reference of that all points, we will conclude that the conditional statement gives only Boolean expression, or it is depend upon the Boolean expression only. That's all about the conditional statement. Thank you.